Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to airdrop a file from your iPhone to your Mac. To airdrop file from iPhone to Mac, first make sure that you have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled on your Mac. It doesn't have to be connected to any network, but it has to be enabled. So go to the control center, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled. Then AirDrop needs to be enabled, and if you are airdropping from an iPhone that's either your iPhone or from someone who is in your contacts list, then you can set it to only, but I'm gonna set it to everyone because it works every time, even if I don't have the person in my contacts. Then on the iPhone you also have to have your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. AirDrop doesn't have to be enabled because you can send data if it's disabled, but you can receive data only if AirDrop is enabled. Then choose anything you want to airdrop. You can add AirDrop files, photos, or anything else like music files or anything. I'm gonna go to photos. Then click on the share button. In each app it looks the same, but it may be in different places. So just click on the share button, then airdrop, and now find the device you want to airdrop it to. I'm gonna select my MacBook Pro. Then on the MacBook, click on accept, and you can open in Photos or save to Documents. I'm gonna save it to Photos. And now the photo has been sent, and you can click it here. Let's go to Library, and here is my photo, which was sent from my iPhone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.